Hello and welcome to the demo Hello World contract deployment. We're going to start off by going to the hub and connecting our wallet. I'm going to use MetaMask for this. You can see we're connected here. Now we're going to go into the Explorer and we're going to create our account on the Wire Testnet. You just need to sign a message to retrieve the public key for your new account. You can see here that it was created on chain. So now we're going to go into the node owner dashboard and request a developer contract policy. The username and keys are randomly generated. You can shuffle them if you want. You're going to want to save these to a safe place. This is going to be the contract account that you're going to deploy your contract to. So you can see our new contract policy here. This is the account page for the contract. Right now it's just a normal account. Now we're going to go into a Wire Sys.io environment and use Clio to create the contract. So we're going to start by cloning the guides and opening the Hello World contract. Next, we're going to import the private key from our new contracts account into our local Clio wallet. You can see that the public key matches here. Now we're going to build the contract using our build script. You can see that success. Now we're going to edit the deploy script. We're editing the authority that the contract is being submitted from, which has to be itself. So that's what the -p is. So we're going to paste that in there. And then the parameter after contract is the username of the account that we're deploying it to, which is also going to be that contract username. So now we're good to run our deploy script. There we go, and executed success. The contract is now deployed on chain to this account. You can see here the deployment of the contract and the ABI. You'll see it in the deployed contracts list there. So these are what we just did, and now you can see the contract explorer where you can view tables and actions for the contract. This Hello World only has one action, it's hi, and the only parameter is a username to say hi to. We're submitting it with the hub. You can see the receipt of the success there. You can see the console log. The hi function basically just prints out hello and then the username to the console. So I copied the transaction ID and you can see the transaction detail page for that action we just submitted. Now we're going to try to do the same thing from the command line. We're going to do Clio push action, and then the next parameter is the contract name that we're pushing the action to, which will be that username. And then the next parameter is the function name, which is going to be just hi. And then next is the function parameters, which is just a username string. So we'll do hi John. And then the -p is the authority we're submitting the transaction with. We're going to try it with this user's authority, but it's not going to work because we don't have the private keys from your personal account in your Clio wallet, but we do have the contracts keys that we imported earlier. So we're going to try that again with that authority, and it was a success. You can see the console logs there, hello, and then John, who we submitted. Now we can copy the transaction ID and go back over to the hub, search that. You can see the transaction detail page just like before. You can see our two actions here that we submitted, one from the hub and one from the command line, and that's it.